It's 2026. Are you still trapped in a price war with your commercial fridges? Tired of product homogenization and clients constantly pushing for lower prices? Give your commercial fridges the superpower of auto stockings. Integrate our Gravity Roller Shelves Professional version to make your products the center of attention at any expo, instantly boosting your premium value. Made with food-grade, low-temperature resistant materials and ultra-low friction bearings, it ensures 100% smooth gliding even in deep freezers. We support full OEM and ODM customization, seamlessly tailored to fit your shelf dimensions, offering an out-of-the-box premium experience that saves your clients the hassle of retrofitting. Break free from low-price competition and inject core technology into your fridges. Message us today for a free sample, catalog, and bulk pricing.